Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a beauty room tour just because it's finally looking semi-decent. It's probably as good as it's gonna get, so don't hold your breath. If the floor seems a little creaky, I do have hardwood floors, so don't mind that. So we're just gonna get started. This is not gonna be super in-depth on all of my makeup and what I have. It's just gonna be an overview. But if you did want me to do a full makeup collection, I can absolutely do that. Same with my perfumes, I can do that as well. Just let me know. All right, let's get into it. All right, so starting on this wall, I have a full-length mirror here. I have some storage containers that just have miscellaneous hair tools, bathing suits, nail stuff, everything like that. This is where my lighting setup is. So I got that off Amazon. This is where I keep my tripod for filming. I have another light that I also got off Amazon. This one is like a side light. And then this is my makeup desk. So this is where I film. So what I have on here is just honestly random stuff. I use this all the time, so I just keep this here. This is from the Dunkin' Donuts collection that I honestly didn't get to film with, but I just thought it was cute, so I keep it here. This is where I keep makeup that I'm going to film or I haven't used yet. Stuff like that. This is where I keep my moisturizer. So this is my nighttime moisturizer that I've been using. This is the Tula. This is actually really nice. As you can see, I'm a dry person. Like, even my hands are ashy right now. And then this is my daytime moisturizer. This is the La Mer. So I keep those here. Just random tools that I use all the time. I have bobby pins, a brush cleaner. I got this from my mom. I love sea turtles, so I keep it here. My desk is very dirty. Honestly, this is realistic. This is where I keep my mirror that I use for my makeup. This is my laptop. As you can see, I love Frank Ocean. My water bottle. I have my wax melter or heater that I use. Warmer. Everything but the right word. This is my wax warmer, so I do wax myself, you know, when you got a little mustache showing. This is what I use all the time. So my SPF, lash glue, scissors, chapstick, tweezers, stuff like that. This is some camera equipment. This is where everything is plugged into. I need this. I'm going to keep extra stuff down here for my camera, storage, stuff like that. So down here I have my Dyson blow dryer. This is all my hair tools and hair products that I need when my hair is curly for the most part. So I have my gels, my water sprayer, brushes. I have my contacts down here. Go with stigmatism. I have another mirror down here. So back here is my desk. So this is what you see in the background. Honestly, do not look at me. I'm in my PJs. But this is what you see in the background. So we're just going to get started over here. So I have candles. I have black and white candles over here. If you know, you know. And this is where I keep most of my lip products. Actually, all of my lip products are over here. So up here I have lipsticks, lip liners, you name it, it's up here. I keep most of my high-end lipsticks in the front. Down here I have my brow products. So pencils, gels, pomades. I've like extra lash glue, just stuff like that. Again, it's not going to be a thorough overview of everything I own. That can be a separate video. And here I have my lash mascaras. Over here I have my mascaras, and then eyeliners, gel liners, stuff like that. This drawer is all of my liquid lipsticks that I have. I don't really wear liquid lips that often anymore. If I do, it's probably a nude, and it's probably German Cosmetics, if I'm being honest. And then down here I keep all of my glosses. So I have my favorites on top. I have my Pat McGrath, Fenty, Buxom, Patrick Ta, Tower 28 on top. And over here I have an extra camera. This is a Sony. I'm currently filming on a Canon. And then this is more lip liners. These are ColourPop lip liners. a lamp that I got from Amazon, some more sticks and stuff for waxing, sprays, this mirror that I look ridiculous in. I got this off of Amazon as well. So over here, I love this corner, it's so cute. But I got this little gnome from Marshall's. I just thought he was so cute. I have a little crystal here. I have a candle burning, a fake plant that I got as a gift from my cousins, some random books that don't fit on my bookshelf. This Marvel book, which honestly I'm not really into Marvel, I just thought it was cool. And these are all books I haven't read. Underneath here, I have an extra tripod randomly, some shelving that I want to put up here, but I'm not very handy. And then some more camera equipment, and this is a chandelier that I want to switch out. But again, I'm not handy, so I'm waiting for my granddad to help me. So over here, I honestly think this is one of the best purchases, and it was like 20 bucks I got off Amazon. This thing is so handy, and it saves so much space for my desks. This is what I keep my hair out of my face with when I do my makeup. But honestly, I keep all of my brushes in here. So I have my face brushes, eye brushes. I have a lot of brushes. They're very dirty. Do not mind that. And then just stuff that I use a lot of the time. So I have my Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Serum and Moisturizer in here. Hair clips, lotion. This is my favorite lotion. I have setting sprays, concealers that I really like, Too Faced, my Auric Glow, Pat. My Pat foundation, my Rare Beauty foundation, which I love, some concealers, and then 2 of my Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wands are in here. Down here is just honestly a bunch of random stuff. A bunch of dirty makeup sponges. This is what I mainly put in my hair every day. This is the Pattern styling cream. Some random earrings. Some lashes. Some more lashes down here. These are the Demi Wispies that I use. And this is my dog's hat from her 16th birthday, so I keep that there. And then down here is just more hair tools. As you can see, I stocked up on this because it was going, like they were getting rid of it. It was getting discontinued and it went on sale, so I got like 4 of them. But yeah, I have hair tools, hair headbands, stuff like that. This is mainly when my hair is straight, so keep that down there. And I just keep this tucked away over here when I'm not using it. When I am using it, I pull it right up here, so it's super helpful. All right, this is the overview of my makeup collection and storage. So back here, I keep some of my stuffed animals. I have a Bob Ross somewhere. I need to find him. But I have Morty, a little teddy bear, and then this is, my grandparents got this when they went to Mexico. They go to Mexico once or twice a year, and they brought her back for me, and I just thought she was so adorable. I've had her since I was very, very little, and I cannot get rid of her. I just think she is beautiful. Over here, I have a majority of my crystals, and I have some random small earrings in this bowl, some more stones, random accessories. I got this little turtle from my mom. Again, she knows I love turtles. This very old picture in this very old frame. I cannot even take this picture out because it's stuck to the frame, so it's in here forever. But that is a picture of me and my granddad. I was flipping potatoes. Go Lions. Behind the picture, I keep a lot of my jewelry, necklaces. So fun fact, my mom actually makes jewelry, and she made me, she made this necklace, which I love. And she also made this chain, which I got for my birthday. These are snake heads, and I'm so obsessed. She's very talented. I will link her information in the bottom. But I keep like my earrings, some of my earrings, mainly my hoops and stuff on here. Here are some of my perfumes, just a quick overview. And these are like body creams. And then up here I have this cute little pink plant. And then these are some more of my perfumes. It's a quick overview. I do like to smell good. And then getting into the makeup. So the top 4 are all my eyeshadow palettes. So this is how I store them. This is my high-end shelf, mid-range, all the way to like ColourPop, BH Cosmetics, stuff like that. So all of my eyeshadow palettes are on these 4 right here. And then I have some additional ones down here. Some face palettes. Down here I keep like my highlighters, blushes. That's really all that is. Over here is concealers, more blush, and then bronzers on these 2. And then on this side is, keep going here, like primers, foundations. I have some foundations that don't fit in these 2 drawers. They're kind of at capacity. And then setting powders. Down here I have like body oils, just random shit, brush cleaner, glitters, single shadows in here, storage cases. Down here I have a bunch of hair pieces. So I have wigs for when I want to do like cosplay or costumes, or when I'm just in the mood to do something creative. Here I have a reflector for filming. And then down here I have my hard wax and more sticks and stuff for waxing. I have a face steamer in the back. Down here I have some Victoria's Secret, some lashes, and some more hair. And then I have more these are like ponytails, so if my hair is back, slick back, and I'll just put a ponytail on if I'm feeling lazy with my hair. And then more camera equipment. So that is a very basic overview of my makeup collection. I have no problem going in depth if you guys are interested. Now on this side is my dog's dog bed. Usually if I'm filming, she's over there or underneath here. But I have that pushed to the side right now. On the bottom I have a bunch of shoes, excess storage for my clothes in here, another light, some like clutches and stuff in there. And then up here I have some more bags and extra stuff. And then in here I have like more storage, boring stuff. But that is the overview of my beauty room. I feel like I'm out of breath. This is a lot of talking. I salute anyone who does this because it is hard work doing it by yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to give you a quick overview again. So this is my door. That's me. My filming desk. Background. Makeup. Closet. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!